The folks that are working on the product are a whole set of people that have really primarily been in retail before, and they've all been in a retailer's shoes and trying to interact with a software vendor. The whole team is really focused on the customer more than any other team that I've ever been involved in. And we're all geeks, so we want to build things and build them right. So what we ended up doing was building pieces and parts of a commerce application, including a tax engine, a pricing and promotion engine, and all of these core components that retailers needed, and then ended up building applications on top of that framework, including the point of sale.
JumpMind Commerce is very DevOps friendly. It's very easy for a DevOps person to pick up JumpMind Commerce and install it to the cloud or to a store.
This is really a product that's built from the ground up over the last couple years, and we've been able to leverage new technologies, an entirely microservices architecture, an entirely thin web-based client that allows us to be able to do things like thick, thin, or anywhere in between. From a deployment perspective, it allows us to do any device.
JumpMind Commerce was built on current technology. Its server is based on Spring Boot, a very common server architecture that a lot of developers would be familiar with. The front end is an Angular client. JumpMind Commerce takes advantage of WebSockets and uses JSON to communicate between the server and the client.
We get rave reviews for support of our product because we've been in your shoes where people say, hey, I need help with this specific issue. And we've been there and done that, and it's painful not to get the right skilled help and the right answers. And so the whole team is really kind of rallied around the customer. I think the thing that I'm most proud of, or that I'm happiest with JumpMind Commerce, is the success that our clients have had. That's just the number one for me. We don't have a single client that's non-referenceable. We don't have a single failed implementation because A, the product and the quality of the product, but B, because of the staff and the care that the staff have in implementing the product for the retailer.